Even if there is a war, even if the price declined in the recent weeks, and even if we are currently trading below $2, I'm still strongly bullish on Wish Contextlogic stock for the long run. The reason why I didn't record any video updates so far is because in my long-term vision of the stock, these movements, even though we are below $2, are not relevant. I haven't seen any strong sign of reversal at this stage. And this is the main reason why I haven't recorded any update, but because many of you are asking what I think about the current situation, here I am with a new update. Behind the trade here, welcome back to my channel. If you enjoyed this video and my other videos, please do not forget to subscribe by clicking the button at the bottom right part of the screen. As usual, this video is subtitled in more than 10 languages, and as usual, these are not financial advices, as these are just personal thoughts and opinions. So let's see what's going on Wish and what we can expect in the next days and weeks. Let's start from the daily chart. So as you know, for those who have followed me in these weeks, I consider this falling wedge as a strong pattern to consider when it comes to a prediction of the next move. So we know we have these 2, 3, 4, 5 points in the lower part, we have 1, 2 points in the upper part, and what I've always told is that I'm expecting the price to reach this resistance line here in black and to touch this resistance for the third time. Until the price doesn't go there, there is no much, guys, I can share. I do not want to increase the anxiety. I do not want to stand behind the stock an asset every day if there are no relevant considerations to be done. We have to learn to be disciplined. We have to learn that in the long run it makes no sense to look at the stock price every single day, okay? Especially if we're talking about a stock that is currently trading at $1-2, okay? It's just, in my opinion, again, my personal opinion, it's just a matter of time and patience. So until the price doesn't touch this resistance line here in black for the third time, there is no much more I can add. But because many of you are asking if I changed my view, absolutely no, I didn't change my view at all. I'm still bullish in the long run. I don't care what's gonna happen at the stock in the next 1, 2, 3 weeks, 1, 2, 3 months, because this is a long time investment, meaning 1 year, 2 years. I have my first target at $15. Another one might be before, just a $9.50 to cover this gap here, but then the first ideal target would be $15. And I even think that this stock might even reach the all-time highs in the next couple of years, 2-3 years, okay? Which is fine. This is my time investment horizon, okay? I don't care what's happening in the short term. For those of you who don't know, I just would like to share what happened to Etsy. Again, I recorded a video on this, and look again what happened to Etsy when in initial phases, when after the IPO, okay? So this is Etsy. So Etsy started at $30. Etsy reached $6 with a drop of 80% in just 1 year, okay? So we are facing a very similar situation. It's true, we have reached $2, okay? But the kind of drop, the dynamic is very similar. And if you look what happened to Etsy later, that's what happened, okay? It reached the all-time high in 2018 after 3 years from the IPO. So if Wish, which is in the same industry, which is following kind of the same path, which went into IPO in 2020, so it's at a very initial stage of its story. Let's consider it takes 3 years to do what Etsy did, so we're talking about 2023. Can we wait this time? I can, I personally can, and I want to. This is why I invested in this stock. So guys, That's all for the moment. Let's wait for the development of the price. And I would like to add something more. If we look at the monthly candlestick chart, okay, let's look at the monthly candlestick chart, and let me cancel these circles. What I'm waiting for is a monthly candle which will have a higher low. This would be the first sign for me to a reversal, because we have, since July 21st, we have lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, and again all the months ahead until now. March had another lower low. The moment that this trend will stop and we will have a higher low, maybe in April, I think so, it might be possible, maybe in May, I don't care when, but this will happen. And when this is gonna happen and we will be having a higher low, this would be a great sign that probably the trend might be reversing soon in a strong way. Let's look, guys, also at another important thing I want to share with you. Look how smaller are becoming the candles. Okay, the extension, the range of the trading weeks, in this case, in the trading weeks, candles are becoming smaller and smaller. The price is contracting. Okay, the price is forming a kind of rounding bottom very slowly, and we can see this also from the weekly chart. The candles are becoming smaller and smaller. The stock is taking time, guys. The stock is taking time. So be patient, and I will be uploading a new video as soon as there will be the conditions to say something relevant and important for our stock. Have a great week, and thanks a lot for watching.